Hello everyone and welcome to the channel.
In today's episode, we're going to be unboxing the new Ninja Swirl by Creami.
We'll also be testing it out with 2 recipes and showing you how it performs.
Without any further ado, let's get into it.
Okay, let's get straight into the unboxing. Okay, here it is. Flip it. So, on this side of the box, you've got the traditional Ninja 2-year guarantee. There's a QR code here, which is, I believe, takes you to the viral protein ice cream trend. I'm guessing it takes you to some sort of playlist of videos, I don't know. Then you've got the 13 frozen treat programs. So with this machine, you have ice cream, frozen yogurt, fruity, soft serve gelato, light ice cream, milkshake, sorbet, gelato, and you also have a function called Creami Fit, which I think is designed for protein powders in your mix. So on the side here, it gives you a little step-by-step how to mix your Ninja Creami pints. Now, if you're not familiar with the Ninja Creami, you need to get your mixture and freeze it for at least 24 hours before you can actually enjoy eating it. So step 1, you've got freeze your mixture in the pint for 24 hours, spin it, load it in the machine, and then you can enjoy your soft swirl ice cream. In the box, we get 2 Creami Swirl tubs, and they're 480 mils with the lids. And it says you can make 4 ice cream cones per tub, so we'll have to put that to the test. And just like the other Ninja Creamies, you can also add mix-ins, and then down the bottom is all of the different recipes you can make. So let's flip the box again. So again, on the side, it's just talking about the Creami Fit protein ice cream there. A couple of different examples. Some of these drawings actually look a bit AI if you ask me, but flip it again. Same on that side as before. And then on this side is a bit more of an inventory of the different parts of the machine. So your tubs fit into this compartment here, which allows you to create your soft serve. Then you've got the outer bowl and lid, which goes here, just like on your normal Ninja Creami. There's a drip tray here. And then you have the soft serve handle there, which dispense at 3 different speeds, creating a perfect cone every time. So the control panel is all touchscreen, and we've got 6 soft serve programs, which is ice cream, light ice cream, fruity, frozen yogurt, soft serve gelato, and then the protein ice cream Creami Fit. And then we've also got the 6 classic scoopable programs, which is your ice cream, light ice cream, gelato, sorbet, frozen yogurt, and milkshake. Let's stop talking about what's on the box and let's have a look what's in the box. Okay, so upon opening the box, we've got 2 different QR codes here. One here is for the Ninja Test Kitchen, and then another one here is for recipes, tips and tricks, and all the accessories that you can get for your Ninja Swirl. Right, let's open it up. Right, first come, first serve. What have we got here? I'm guessing this is going to be all of the manuals and fun stuff. So here we have the quick start guide, which basically gives you an overview of all the different components that you'll get with your Ninja Swirl, as well as tips and tricks on how to process your pints, using the soft serve program, as well as cleaning and disassembly. So yeah, pretty good little manual there. Then you've got the owner's guide, safety instructions, which no one reads. And then here you have the Ninja Swirl with 20 plus delicious recipes inside. So let's have a look at what we got. We've got vanilla soft serve, chocolate protein soft serve, a chocolate cherry fruity, fig and honey frozen yogurt, that sounds good. Classic frozen yogurt, strawberry frozen yogurt, so salted caramel, honey soft serve gelato. So yeah, really good for getting started and making your first Ninja Creami pints. Right, now what have we got here? I'm guessing this is the drip tray. Yes, this is the drip tray. Got our plug and another little box. I'm guessing in here we're going to have our Ninja Creami pints, maybe even the processing jug. Oh, it does actually say what's in the box. 2 tubs, 2 storage lids, 1 dispense lid, and swirl press. So, a little bit different to the original Ninja Creami pints, but I'm sure if you're watching this video, you probably would have guessed that anyway. Unlike the traditional Ninja Creami pints, there's a little kind of valve flap here. So when you place this into the machine, I believe it will go something like this, twist into place, and then basically out of here is where the soft serve ice cream will go. And I believe the machine essentially plunges the mixture like this, and then it will come out of the little flap there. Next one, much the same as to be expected. So if we compare the new Ninja Swirl tubs to the Ninja Creami tubs, you can really see the difference in size. Now, this new Ninja Swirl tub is 480 mils and the Ninja Creami Deluxe is 709 mils. So if you're looking for a bit more bang for your buck in terms of capacity, this could be a deciding factor for you. Also, the issue of cleaning. Now, there's a lot more nooks and crannies on these new tubs. That could be an issue, but obviously we haven't used it yet, so we'll find that out. What have we got here? So this is the dispensing something. So dispense lid, use second. And it says to remove the swirl, press down, hold the blue latch. To reinstall, hold the blue latch, insert the swirl, press and release. At the moment, that is not making any sense to me. So I'll put that to the side, come back to it. Okay, now let's get the beast out. Right, there we are. Let's take the sock off. Ta-da! So it looks very smart, and it does look quite modern as well compared to the other units. Obviously, we know it's got a touchscreen display, but we'll go through that in a moment. Very familiar design to the Ninja Creami Deluxe in that you have the little release button, twist, slide out. There's your processing jug. Again, very much similar to the old models. This will be the paddle. So the paddle is very easy to put into place. You simply slide this to the unlock symbol, place it inside, and then let go when it goes to the lock function, and then it's locked into place. So this is what will spin and mix your Ninja Creami mixture. Then with your Ninja Creami pint, you place it inside the processing jug, place the processing jug lid on top, you slide it in, twist it to the side, and then you simply go through the touch panel programs, whichever one you need to select. At the moment, that is not making any sense to me, so I'll put that to the side, come back to it. So this is basically the same as the paddle for the normal Ninja Creami pint. So this goes on top of your pre-made mixture. You twist it to lock it, then ensuring that the little valve of the soft serve is pointing down, you place it into the top, and you can line up where this blue little tab is. You line that up at the top, twist it, you'll hear an audible click. That's how you know it's locked into place. Once you've selected your soft serve, you use the handle to push out the ice cream. When you're done with your tub, you press this to release, twist and remove. To fully test this, I think it's only right that we make a recipe and then show you the results. Right, we are back 24 hours later and with 2 Ninja Creami pints. Now, we basically took 2 recipes out of the booklet and adapted them slightly to show you what the machine can do. So the first one we made was a cookies and cream protein ice cream, which is called a Creami Fit with this machine. So we're going to test that one. And we've also got a fruity mixture, which again we adapted from the booklet. And this is essentially coconut milk and some pineapple chunks. We'll first start off by testing the fruity pint that we've got here. So remove the lid, then we're going to eject the processing jug, place it inside, lock it into place, and then put it back in the machine. Then we're going to turn it on. Then we're going to select soft serve and then fruity. And now we just wait for it to do its magic. Right, so it's just finished. Let's remove it. Wow, that looks very soft already. And now we're going to fit the paddle for the soft serve function. We're going to lock that into place. Then we're going to line up the blue to the top, give it a twist, and now we should be ready to use the soft serve function. So let's give it a go. I've got a little cone here. Let's see how I do. So yeah, I didn't have that open. Make sure you open that valve. Just getting some fruit juice at the moment. Wow, there we go. So that actually didn't turn out too bad, in my opinion. I think that looks really good. Now, taste test time. Yeah, that's really nice.
Second opinion. That's really nice. I wasn't expecting it to be so nice. Looking forward to the next one.
So now we're done testing out the fruity function. We're going to close the valve on our tub and we're going to press retract on the machine. And that's basically going to pull that plunger back to the starting position, allowing us to release and pull away our pint. Once that's retracted, you can press the release button at the top, twist and remove. And then with our paddle, we're going to give this a quick wash and then we'll test the Creami fit function. Okay, now it's time to test the Creami fit function. So we've got our protein powder mix in here. We're going to place it inside the jug, attach the paddle, and then slide it in the machine and basically do the same thing as we've done before. So we're going to hit soft serve. And then this time we're going to hit Creami fit. And we'll be back with the results. Okay, that's just finished processing. So just like before, let's remove the lid of the paddle. Whoa, that looks super duper creamy, like no joke. Again, we're going to fit the plunge lid, line up the blue tab, twist, and then open the valve at the bottom. And now we should be good to go with the soft serve. Right, here we go. I think, yeah, I was going to say, I think this one's going to come out a lot quicker than the fruity. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that definitely came out a lot quicker, hence why it's not very appealing to look at, but that doesn't matter. The important thing is the taste, so let's give it a go. Really soft. It reminds me, the texture and the taste reminds me a bit of the Wendy's milkshake. I think they call it a Frosty. Really similar taste and texture.
Ooh. Oh, that's really nice for a protein ice cream. Yeah, it's really good. The texture is really nice. You can tell it's not like proper ice cream because it's not as, hasn't got enough fat in there, but it's really nice.
So that was us checking out and unboxing the Ninja Swirl.
If you'd like to see more videos featuring the Ninja Swirl by Creami, stick around as we'll be testing it further. And if you'd like to see it compared either with the Ninja Creami Original or the Creami Deluxe, let us know in the comments section down below.
And if you've enjoyed this video, why not consider giving us a like and a subscribe.
Thanks for tagging along and we'll see you in the next one.